What if the only thing keeping you from being truly happy is the insomnia you've learned to ignore? How many sleepless nights will keep stealing your joy, your mental and emotional health? And what if just 9 days were enough to change everything? Joy feels far away when insomnia steals your peace. Your mental and emotional health weakens with every restless night. You close your eyes, but your mind won't quiet down. Do this for 9 days, and watch what happens to your insomnia. Silent. Transformative. Real. In this video, you'll discover the method to cultivate joy and drive away insomnia, a silent practice that strengthens your emotional well-being and helps you stay far from the hidden dangers of sleepless nights. And the most surprising part? By the end of the 9 days, the results will astonish you, and you won't want to stop. You'll want to repeat the method again and again. Stay with me for just 3 more minutes, and you'll discover the silent method that uses joy as an inner force to push insomnia away, and transform your nights into true rest. Have you ever stopped to think about how insomnia quietly impacts your quality of life? Now compare the reality of someone still struggling with insomnia, to someone who has overcome it and finally found real rest. Someone living with insomnia wakes up tired and drained, even after hours in bed. But someone who's broken free wakes up refreshed, clear-headed, and ready to face the day with ease. Those dealing with insomnia carry a tense body, weighed down by silent pain that builds night after night. Those who've overcome it feel a deep relief, the body relaxes, tension fades, and well-being returns to every part of their being. Insomnia causes memory lapses and focus issues. But those who've healed feel mentally sharper, more present, and able to make confident decisions. When insomnia takes over, emotional breakdowns come easily, constant anxiety, unstable moods, and racing thoughts. But those who've broken that cycle find a new balance, inner calm, steady emotions, and peace, even in the storm. Insomnia weakens the body's defenses, making every little discomfort a threat. But those who've left it behind notice the change, more energy, stronger immunity, and a body that defends itself with more resilience, day after day. Insomnia damages your mind, stealing your rhythm, making you slip up, and draining your productivity. But those who've won the fight shine again, clear focus, sharp thinking, and creativity that flows effortlessly. These statements are backed by science, according to research by Harvard Medical School, Harvard Health Publishing. Now tell me, how's your insomnia lately? And how much has it affected your quality of life and mental health in recent months? In just a few seconds, you'll be introduced to the 9 practices of the ASMR plus self-esteem plus 9-day method that could make all the difference in your life. If this message resonates with you, leave a like so it can reach more people who just want to sleep in peace. This channel is just getting started. Subscribe to receive more content that nurtures your mental and emotional well-being. Have you noticed how insomnia changes everything? It weakens your mind, drains your joy, and silences even your simplest dreams. Have you ever wondered how many more sleepless nights your body can take? How many more silent dawns you'll endure, waiting for a sleep that never comes? Insomnia isn't just next-day fatigue, it's a slow, invisible poison that eats away at your mental and emotional health from the inside out. While the world sleeps, you feel the weight of dragging hours, the thoughts that won't stop, the anxiety growing in the dark. Your body aches. Your mind misfires. Your emotions run raw. You try to smile, but everything feels gray. You try to work, but every task becomes twice as hard. And what about your relationships? Even affection suffers under the strain of a bad night's sleep. Have you noticed how steep the cost of insomnia is? It weakens you, disorganizes you, sabotages you, silently. But what if there's a way out? What if you could turn things around without pills, without pushing yourself too hard, just with simple, quiet practices? There are people who've already won that war, people who rediscovered the joy of lying down, and gently falling asleep in peace. People who now wake up with real energy, with a clear mind, with the confidence to decide and the courage to start again. Overcoming insomnia is more than just sleeping, it's about reclaiming control over your life. It's about feeling joy without reason, being patient with those you love, living with more presence, productivity, and health. When someone beats insomnia, they don't just go back to who they were, they return to who they've always been, only whole. And you, are you going to keep letting insomnia steal your days, your nights, your peace? Or are you ready to take the first step and break the cycle right now? Here's the question: what happens if you follow a 9-day method to cultivate joy and defeat insomnia? Let's find out together. Grab a pen and paper and take notes. These are the actions and affirmations you'll meditate on each night. Day 1. Action: take a 10-minute walk at the end of the day, in silence, noticing everything around you. Feel the breeze on your face, the sounds around you, the presence of now. Meditation phrase before sleep: I am here, in this moment, and that is enough. Day 2. Action: write down 3 small things that brought lightness to your day, even if they seemed simple or ordinary. Meditation phrase before sleep: gratitude turns what I have into everything I need. Day 3. Action: listen to a soft, relaxing sound before bed, preferably with headphones, in a dark, quiet space. Meditation phrase before sleep: my body deserves rest, my mind can settle into peace. Day 4. Action: forgive something that's been weighing on your heart, even if it's just in your thoughts. Letting go is a gift you give yourself. Meditation phrase before sleep: I release what hurts me and welcome what heals me. Day 5. Action: play or listen to a piece of music that moves you, let yourself feel it, with no judgment, just presence. Meditation phrase before sleep: joy is allowing myself to feel every emotion with honesty. Day 6. Action: disconnect from all screens at least 30 minutes before bed, and use that time to breathe deeply. Meditation phrase before sleep: silence reconnects me to what truly matters. Day 7. Action: choose a good memory, even an old one, and relive it with all your senses. Meditation phrase before sleep: I carry within me timeless moments of peace. Day 8. Action: do something kind for someone without expecting anything in return, not even recognition. Meditation phrase before sleep: when I share joy, it returns to me as rest. Day 9. Action: look at yourself in the mirror before bed and firmly speak one quality you recognize in yourself. Meditation phrase before sleep: I am worthy of peace, deserving of joy, and ready to rest in calm. True joy is born when you learn to thank God for everything, even the simplest details of your day. Cherish the smile of someone you love, the food on your table, the hug of a friend. The little things are disguised miracles. Gratitude transforms the soul, strengthens bonds, and lights the flame of hope. Nurture joy like a garden, with faith, with love, and with gratitude. Don't stop on the 9th day. Make it a daily habit, and enjoy restorative sleep for life. This channel is new, and maybe your new beginning starts right here, from the inside out, in the quiet of your night. What if your next breakthrough is just waiting for you to recover the sleep that gives you courage, energy, and confidence to become who you were born to be? If this message spoke to your heart, hit the like button now so more people can find peace in their sleep. Subscribe and turn on the bell, and walk this journey with us. Share this with someone who needs to sleep in peace, and wake up with purpose. See you in the next episode.